What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August 2021. I believe this one is going to be the base box because I could see like the little red hot pink color. So yes, guys, I'm super excited to get into it. So if you want to know what it's all about, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started.
I'll be a supplier. Guess I'm the plug, yes I'm the truck. Pass me a lighter. Just light it up, let's blaze it up. This fire. Just pass him a lighter.
Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this little box because I have not opened it. My box still does have the little seal, so I'm excited to know what I got in this month's box. So I'm just gonna tear it up open and put that over there. So here it is. This is what the box is looking like, guys. I noticed that this month's box, it's a little thick one. It's like a little short, little thicker one. It's thicker than the ones that I previous have had. So it's a little thick one and it is heavy. I will say that I don't have the details on how much my how much my box weighs, but it is kind of hefty. I will say that. All right, guys, so this is what the box looks like. I am such a hot mess. Excuse me. The little card fell. But anyway, this is what the little theme is for the month, and it says Boxycharm Go All Out. So it looks like it's like a travel, or I'm not sure, but this is what the theme is. And we're gonna go ahead and start just pulling because this box is heavy, so I'm just gonna set it down. I'm excited, I wanna know what I got. Okay, so first item that we got looks like this, and this is the Clear Skin Club. It is a pineapple glow mist, and this has hyaluronic acid, it has peptides, and it also does have antioxidants on it. Oh my god! This is so freaking cute. This is what the bottle looks like. I am definitely going to be putting this to use. So it's like a frosted ombre glass bottle. It is glass. Oh, it's fancy. So I'm really liking this. I cannot wait to try this out, but let's see what the little spray looks like. Oh, it smells so good. Should I spray some on? It's like a very fine mist, and it kind of like just refreshed my face. It actually feels really, really good. Oh my god, I'm super excited about this item. I think this is what was probably making the box feel heavy because it is a glass bottle and it is kind of heavy. So I believe it was this item here. I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited for this. Okay, guys, so up next, it looks like we have a purple package of some kind. What? Okay, so this is the Ayam Beauty Care Dead Skin Mineral Caviar Makeup Remover Wipe. So this removes even waterproof mascara. So it claims to remove a waterproof mascara as well. This is what it looks like. I don't know why mine is dirty or it's dusty. Like I hope none of the makeup stuff fell. It might have fell. Maybe something is broken in there and it got on here. I'm not sure. But this is the next item, and I'm always down to try out new makeup removers because I love to use that. At the end of the night, I do kind of like remove my eye makeup with those. So I'm excited about those. Okay, so then up next, we got this little item here, and this is by Somerville, and it is a Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer Hydrant. So, wow, okay. Let's see what it looks like. I am not a huge fan of skincare, but I'm excited to try this. I think Somerville, I believe we sell that at Sephora. I'm almost sure that we do sell it there. So I think this is a high-end like skincare product. It's a moisturizer, so I'm down to try it. I'm not gonna open it because I am using a moisturizer right now, so I will not break into this one until I'm done with the one I am using. Actually, the one that I'm using is from Murad, and I had got it on one of my Boxycharms like 1 or 2 months ago. I'm still using it and I really love it. So up next I will be using this one once I'm done with my Murad moisturizer. I'm so excited. So we have 3 items down. We have this one here. Oh my god, this one might be broken. I see the same thing. I don't know if you guys see it, but oh shit, I think it shattered and I'm kind of scared to open it. So this is the iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder, and I believe I had chose this item. I believe this one was one of my choice items, and I was really looking forward to getting this. Ah, shoot. Oh, yeah, it is. I'm not even going to take it out because it is broken. It is shattered. Why? I'm kind of scared. Okay, I'm not going to open it, so I'll just go ahead and reach out to Boxycharm so hopefully they can replace it because I was really looking forward to my makeup items. But so far, I am loving my box, guys. I'm not mad at this box. I have all the little bronzing powder all over my fingertips. And then we do just have one more item in the box, and it looks like this. Let's take it out to see what it is about. So this is the Grown Woman Palette. Grown Woman Palette. It's actually really nice. It has like this little marble detail with a grown woman in the front. Just how the palette says. Okay, so let's see what color scheme this is. Oh, it's very like nice and sleek, and it's like a cardboard material. I love these palettes because you can actually, ooh, I like. You can actually fold it all the way down and use it in one hand. It's travel friendly and it has a mirror in the back as well. So I really like that. This is what the color scheme looks like. It has like these really nice warm shades. Ooh, I love this middle one right here. That shade is so pretty. These are really nice like fall autumn shades. We're gonna start moving into the fall and winter season, and I think this transition or like this whole palette is really nice. It also does have these really nice transition shades on the top. I'm excited about this palette. Oh my god, I love my box. My box was really good, guys. So I'm actually going to go over some stuff with you guys. I'll tell you how much each item was and what variation I got. So the variation that I got in this month's box is the letter C, 2108044 dash, oh my god, dash BA. I don't know where this accent's coming from. I'm just like a hot mess today, guys. I'm so sorry. I apologize in advance. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and review how much each item was. So we're gonna start off with the first one that's on the little card, and this one is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Moisturizing Glove. This one right here. So this one does retail for $70. I knew that this one was fancy. I knew it was really fancy, so I'm excited to try this one. Next, once I am done using the moisturizer from Murad, I will be going in with this one. Up next, then we got the iconic London bronzer that is shattered. Oh, okay, so this one actually does retail for $35, and it looked like a really nice bronzer. Like the packaging and everything was really nice. You know, just I got it delivered and it was shattered. So hopefully I can get that replaced. I was really looking forward to that item, and it was one of my choice items. So I'm a little bummed out about that, but I know that it'll be okay. All right, guys, so up next we got the Clear Skin Club, and it is the Pineapple Mist. This bottle is so cute, and it feels so good and refreshing. So I think like even my makeup, like it got refreshed. I think it was just a little too powdery, but this definitely refreshed me up. I'm not sure if it's like a setting. It's not a setting mist, but either which way, I will be putting this to use. Up next, oh, I forgot to tell you how much this retails for. Duh, Fabi. So this one does retail for $38. All right, then up next, we have the Give Them Lala Beauty, the Grown Woman Palette. So the Grown Woman Palette right here, this one does retail for $42. And I don't think I've ever tried this brand before. So this is like a new brand to me. So I'm getting introduced to this brand through Boxycharm. So I'm really excited about this little palette here. And then last we have the Ayam Beauty Care little makeup removing wipes. I like the packaging. It's kind of cute. Like the purple, it just attracts me. I'm attracted to purple. And then we did get the little wipes. So let me add it all up and tell you guys how much my total value is for this month's box. And I'll be right back with that. All right, guys. So the total value of my box was of $197 and I only paid $25. So I think that this box is totally worth it. Also, guys, I did forget to mention the total value for these. They do retail for $12 and I think that's pretty reasonable. Hopefully they are good because I love me some makeup removing wipes. But that's it for today, guys. Leave me a comment down below because I would like to know what you guys think about this month's box. And once I get my premium box, of course, I will be uploading that video up for you guys as well. So that'll be it for today's video. Leave me a comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.